Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2014 Subaru Forester. The filter I'm going to be using is this EP Auto GP997. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these filters, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this shroud. You might be able to do it without removing this, but I find it easier. So I'll just pop these open with a screwdriver. You can also stick a screwdriver in the middle and rotate them, and you can take these plugs out. And then we can take this piece out, and I've already washed this. So the air filter's down here. We want to pull up on these two clips. Now this is a stationary piece, so we need to remove this side. So what I like to do is loosen this up here. This is a 8mm hose clamp. We'll pull that off. Now there is a wire here holding this in place. We can pull the filter out over here on this side. There we go. It's pretty dirty. We'll get the new filter out. We'll put it in the same orientation. Pull the plastic off of it. Now I'll put that down in here in the air box. So you can see how this fits in here. It's flush against the sides. And then this side hinges on the bottom. How does that fit in? Like so, and you want to make sure that's lined up properly. And then we can clip that down. So you want to make sure the seam is closed all the way around here. Now I can hook this back up. I'll retighten this hose clamp. Now we can put this back in. This will slide in here. And then we can reinsert these plugs. You want to make sure they're pulled out like this. Stick them in the holes, press down. So that's how you change the engine air filter in a 2014 Subaru Forester. This probably also applies to many other Subaru models. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.